Hey guys, welcome back to Days Well Spent. I wanted to show you guys a quick way to save some money on your gardening supplies. So plant markers, these are what we use. I'm going to leave a link to them down in the description below. These are nice, thick plant markers. They are flexible. These are some other ones from Ferry Morris. Again, nice and thick. It's a really high-grade plastic, meaning they don't split and crack in the cold or the heat. One way to save money is to reuse them. I like to write on ours with Sharpie pens. It's really any permanent marker you can do this with. Permanent markers are alcohol based. So that means that you can take an alcohol pad and you can clean off what you've written at the end of the season off of your plant marker, and you'll be able to reuse it. And sometimes there'll be a real faint marker shadow left behind, but not always. So I'll show you guys so that you know what that was written on in. There's no doubt. Just a Sharpie fine point pen, alcohol-based marker. This one is a CD marker. I'll show you on the Ferry Morris one. Okay. It just wipes right off. And you don't have to use an alcohol pad. You can use some alcohol and a cotton ball, whatever you want. The CD marker is a little bit more messy than the Sharpie. And that might be just it's just an inexpensive CD marker. It actually came with these plant tags, not the Ferry Morris ones. Okay. There you go. You guys can see it's real faint. There's still a little bit of a kind of like an echo left behind, not an echo, a shadow left behind. But you could definitely still reuse these plant tags, and that'll save you guys a little bit of money. If you want to go with these, I'll have an Amazon link down in the description below. If you want to go with the Ferry Morris ones, I'll leave a link to those along with a discount code for 15% off anything that you purchase at ferrymorris.com, not just the plant tags. If you guys have any questions about labeling your plants or how to clean your plant tags, let me know and I'll be happy to answer them.